Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. So students, in this video we are discussing a topic about sports where we are talking about the T20 Women's T20 Cricket World Cup. This Cricket World Cup was held where? It was held in London, England. In England, London, England, that is the Lord's Cricket Ground in London, England, the final was held. This was held from 12th of June till 5th of July. Who is the winner here for the Women's T20 Cricket World Cup? So the winner is Australia country. Australia's women's cricket team, they have won it, and this is for the 7th time they have won the World Cup. They defeated whom? Who was the runner-up here? So runner-up was England. Correct? And here if we see, Australia defeated England by 7 wickets, chasing down 151 with 150 by 3 in 17.1 over only, right? And this is their 7th title. Then if we talk about this was the 10th edition of the biennial international cricket tournament for women, right, of the T20 international format, hosted by England and Wales Cricket Board across 7 venues. 12 teams competed in 2 groups of 6 in round robin format. The top 2 from each group advanced in the semi-finals. Indian bowler Sri Charani headlined the tournament by taking 14 wickets, finishing the leading wicket taker for 2026 Women's T20 World Cup. Beth Mooney of Australia, 64 runs, player of the final and tournament. The first player to win 2 player of the tournament awards in the T20 history, that is 2022, 2023 and 2026. So this is everything you need to know about the World Cup, and this was the 10th edition of the World Cup. Now let's discuss some other important sports related current affairs, such as your Sebastian Save became the first athlete to run an official record eligible sub 2 hour marathon at the 2026 London Marathon. Then Indian athletics Gurvinder Singh set a new 100-meter Indian national record of 10.09 seconds at the Federation Cup in Ranchi. World Yogasana Championship here, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Right, India hosted the inaugural edition where India topped the standing with a total of 114 medals. Then if we talk about FIFA, Cristiano Ronaldo became the first footballer in history to score 6 different FIFA World Cups during the June matches. Historic rowing gold if we see, Indian Army Harvinder Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar Singh has won India's first ever gold medal at the World Rowing Cup. Then SAFF Women's Championship 2026 tournament concluded on 7th of June and was hosted by Magua, Goa. If we talk about Indian women's quarter clinched the gold medal in the 4x100 relay event in Shangju, China. This was for the Asian Relays Gold. Then if we talk about Thomas Cup, China lifted the prestigious badminton trophy in Denmark after defeating France in the finals. Then Cricket League, if we talk about, former Indian head coach Rahul Dravid became the official franchisee owner of the Dublin Guardians in the European T20 Premier League. And legendary Indian sport shooter and national coach Jaspal Rana has passed away at the age of 49. So these are some important one-liner current affairs, students, and we discussed about the Women's T20 World Cup. That was the 10th edition and it was won for the 7th time by Australia by defeating England in the final. So that's all for the day, and stay tuned. We will be making sure to upload such one topic video on daily basis for you all.